All right, linear equations. We are not new. We start with just the basic. We start with the equations. In linear motion, we have equations with the one unknown that we are on to solve, and then after equations with the one unknown, the equations with the one unknown, then we go to after equations with one unknown, then we go to other equations, like the simultaneous equations, like the equations with sometimes three unknowns, but in a certain platform. So right now I want us to start off with the equations with one unknown. We have equations of this nature: x plus 2 over 3 minus 4x. Pen is not doing very well. 4x tumesema x plus 2 minus, you keep on writing, minus 4x minus 3 over 4 is equals to 3 over 5. And now this is this question, normally you are given like 3 marks or sometimes 4 marks because you are in form 1. What is the best approach in this question? So we would attempt this one together, and then I give you another one, you try, and you give me the response. So here we check on the LCM. First of all, check on the LCM, where the LCM is LCM of 3, 4, and 5. What is the LCM, Purity?
$60.
Yes, you get the LCM with 60. Then normally what we do, because it is an equation, we go and multiply every term by 60. So you multiply here by 60, by 60, by 60. Then you do cancellation. This is 20. By 4, this is 15. By 5, this is 4. That's the case. Then we multiply. Sometimes I forget, because you want to avoid some funny errors, as I'm going to show you, that you make it linear. That is 20 into x plus 2 minus, you bring in 15 into 4x minus 3, then equals to 3 times 4, because there was a 4 here. So now open brackets, 20x plus 40 minus 60x plus 45 is equals to 12. Then you take 40 and 45, 20x minus 60x, 40 minus 40x. That's when the negative number is greater than the positive. Always the result is negative. So negative 60 and positive 20, negative 40. It is equals to, we take 40 plus 45. We have 85. 85 to the other side. This one, they give us 85. Then taking 85 to the right-hand side, it becomes negative. And it becomes what? Accurate. It is a minus 12. 85 minus 12. Are we together? All right. Okay, 85 minus 12, it is 70, negative 73. Is that the guess? Then now a value of x will be equals to negative, and a negative will cancel to a positive. So it will be equals to 1 and a 33 over 40. So what I want you to note, as you want to attempt other questions, let me highlight what is quite required in this case. As you are multiplying the LCM that we have picked here, identify recognition of multiplication of negative numbers and positive numbers. For example, we multiplied negative 15 and negative 3. That gave us the result of positive 45. This is very key. And that's why I said that we need this line here. If we have this line, we cannot just bypass the idea of multiplying a negative and a negative. Sometimes just blindly you start multiplying factors from this level. So I expect you to linearize, make it linear before you open brackets. This line is quite necessary. Now I want you to take like 2 minutes and very fast you work on this one. You work on 5a plus 4 over 10 minus 3a plus 3 over 4 is equals to 2a minus 3 over 8. Find the value of a. Once we are done, we say 2 minutes. Once we are done, we are on to share our answers. Read for me the question.
5a plus 4 out of 10. Minus 3a plus 3 out of 4. Equals 2a minus 3 out of 8.
Good. And we were at the stage that we have, we were to identify the LCM. LCM was 40, so we had done the 40, 40, and 40. And then we were at the level where we were multiplying 10 into 5a plus 4 minus 10, this is 4, 10 into 3a minus, what's the minus 3? 5 into
3a plus 3.
Plus 3, yes. Then 5 into 2a minus 3. That's how, eh? Now we are supposed to multiply, and then now we get we see where a negative is multiplying a positive or another negative. So this one becomes 20, 20a plus 16 minus 30a minus, because of this minus, because of this minus and this plus, becomes minus 30. This equals to 10a minus 15. And 20a like terms together, minus 3a, 30a, it is negative 10a. This and this one, it is minus 14. This equals to 10a minus 15. So we take 10 to this side, where it will become a negative. So minus 10 A minus 10A is equals to, we take this one to the other side, where it becomes a positive, so minus 1. Minus 15 plus 14. Then this one becomes minus 20A, which is equals to minus 1. So over negative 20 over negative 20. And our answer will be negative by negative positive. So it becomes A is equals to 1 over 20. We are in agreement, eh? You get the procedure?
Yes.
Yes. Now I want you to attempt one which is of your choice. A question before you go and attempt others. I want you to attempt this one. Then you shout your answer. Following the same procedure, I want you to attempt a question which is 2x minus 5 over 11 minus 3x plus 3, not 3, 5 over 22. This equals to 4x minus 10 over 1. I'm waiting for the answer. We try, okay? Are we in agreement? Ni nani alipotea? The house is not full. Hello?
Yes.
We are together.
All right. Now work out. And faster. You get me the answers, eh? All right, Shemith, where are you?
I've not yet finished.
Na kuharakisha umalize. Joy, where are you?
X is equals to 261 over 87.
Joy has the answer to a solution for x is 2.
61 over 87.
61 over 87, eh?
Yes.
Good. We give another 1 minute for another person to clear. Immaculate's microphone is not working. I want us to work out this one and then we stop there. We meet next. Which is your another next subject? What do you have next?
English.
English, eh? So let's just work out this one and then we give ourselves a break. So next time I don't want you to fail a question of this kind. So we said LCM. LCM of 11, 22 and 1 is 22. Multiply by the LCM, 22, 22, 22. Then this step I said is very crucial. You do the 2 into 2x minus 5 minus 1 into 3x plus 3 plus 5 is equals to 22 into 4x minus 10. This one is not just nothing included there to show you that you are multiplying into this one to effect the sign. So this is 4x. 4x minus 10 minus 3x minus 5 is equals to 188 x minus 220. Then like terms together, this and this one gives us x. And then we bring this one to this side. We have x minus 88x. This 10 and this one gives us negative 15, which goes to the other side and becomes positive. So negative 15, we take negative 15 to the other side, becomes positive. So negative 220, 220 plus 15. It was a negative, now becomes a positive once it goes to the other side of the equal signs. So this one becomes negative 77x. It is equals to 220, negative 220 plus 15. A negative number is greater than the positive, so the result will be negative. So 220 minus 15 it is 205, so negative 205. Divided by negative 77, divided by negative 77. So negative and negative becomes positive. So we are going to have our answer as 77 times 2 is, yes?
It's supposed to be 87. 87x.
Oh, yeah. Correct. It should be 87x. Hey, I subtracted in, so it is 87x. Good, eh? So as she said, the answer was 2 and 61 over. Is that the case?
Yes.
Yes, wonderful. Now we are supposed to clap for this fella for getting it right. Eh? That's what we do in these equations. Next, we shall discuss very fast on simultaneous equations, but mostly focusing on word problems. On a question on words that needs us to formulate simultaneous equations that we solve. We are in agreement, eh? Okay. Let's stop there. We meet tomorrow. We have a lesson tomorrow for maths. Let's meet next. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Right.